Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about the best and the absolute worst ways to make money online. All right, before I get into this video, guys, if you want to know how you can start earning $300 commissions over and over again, be sure to check out the first link in the description of this video, and let's get this money. I just watched a video from a fellow YouTuber. I believe his name was Adrian Downs, I believe, and he did a video talking about his best and his worst ways to make money online. So, I wanted to give my opinion on it. Now, when his worst way, right, was taking paid surveys, right? In the video, he basically was saying, look, when it comes to like making money online, like paid surveys is cool, but it's not really worth your time and you're not gonna make a lot of money at all, right? So that was in his worst, and I gotta tell you something. I absolutely agree with that. Paid surveys is one of the first things you hear about when you're like a newbie and you start searching for stuff. You'll start seeing like, hey, get paid for your opinion, right? Get paid for what you know. Get paid for your thoughts and all that. And a lot of people usually sign up for paid survey sites because a lot of times these sites look so appealing, right? So they'll sign up and then you get all excited. You might even get like 2 or 3 surveys in the first day or two. You might even earn like $4 or $5. So you thinking like, okay, this could turn into something, okay? But it probably won't, all right? It's probably not, all right? So yes, in my opinion, if you're really trying to make money online, you're trying to make some substantial money online, paid surveys is not really the best way to go. Is it a legit way to earn some super extra cash? Absolutely, it is, right? Another one, another money-making method that he talked about was doing like cashback shopping. And this is very popular too, because there's tons and tons of sites out there that where like, it's like an app and you go out whenever you shop, you can like scan the product and actually gives you like cash back on your purchases, right? And this is cool, but keep in mind, this is not a way to make a living. Like, it's cool for what it is. Like, you get cash back. It's a super cool feeling that, when you do go shopping, instead of you might spend $50 and then you realize you just got $4 back. I mean, that's dope. That's dope. But like, is that like a passive income? Is that is that going to get you that, that house you want, or is that going to pay a lot of bills? Probably not. So I definitely agree with him, on that level. Now he moved up in the video. He talked about things that were kind of like mid-tier, in between good and bad methods. And one of the methods he talked about was affiliate marketing, right? Because he was just saying, it's a good way to get started, but it's not the absolute best way. Yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing, but it wasn't his like top way. Another thing that he talked about that was in the mid-range of good and whack is Amazon FBA. I think he talked about that, and he was kind of like, yeah, it's cool, but it's not the best way. Now, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is dope. I think I kind of disagree with him with him putting affiliate marketing in the mid-range, because I'm like, to me, affiliate marketing, like, what I'm saying? Like, you can make a lot of money, easy to get started, tons of stuff to promote. I don't know, right? But that's his opinion. Now, Amazon FBA, which is basically where you get products shipped to Amazon warehouse, and then Amazon, you promote the products and then Amazon will ship it for you, right? And this has been around for years. I never really got involved with Amazon FBA, so I heard good and bad about it. So I have no real thoughts on it. I do think it's a lot tougher than a lot of people promote it to be when it comes to like making a full-time income. Yeah, so he put Amazon and affiliate marketing like in the mid-range, and his top way, his best way to make money online was to have a Shopify store, right? And I was kind of surprised by that, but I'm not, because most likely, I ain't even looked, but most likely I'm sure he probably has a course or something to teach, how to make money on Shopify, which ain't nothing wrong with that, right? But Shopify has been around for years, heard about it, came close a couple times to starting a Shopify store, but I don't know. Like, if you have some, to me, you got to have a real passion and desire to make Shopify work, in my opinion, because I feel like you could make more money and get just as much out of just straight affiliate marketing. But, with Shopify, you can find, distributors, and, you find distributors, you find products at a low price and you sell them higher on your Shopify store, and you actually keep the difference. Some people actually even, create their own products. So if you could do that, great. But Shopify's been around a long time. Shopify is legit. A lot of people making a lot of money from Shopify stores. But I've heard a lot of horror stories in regards to Shopify as well. And I think it's another one of them things where it's very doable, but I think it's a lot more work than it's perceived, to be. But to be fair, like, to make a lot of money with any of this stuff, you do got to be willing to grind. Some things are easier to understand. Some things are easier to get started. But ultimately, guys, yeah, you do got to grind with any of this stuff, right? But I am surprised that, he didn't even talk about YouTube, as one of the best ways to start making money online, just because it's so popular and there's tons of different ways to make money from the YouTube platform. But he ain't talk about that in that video. So, maybe he ain't, it ain't on his list. All right. But in my opinion, I pretty much agree with what Adrian talked about. But the Shopify is not really for me. It's not my thing. I feel like I have to put too much attention, way too much attention on the Shopify store. My personal best way to make money online, I believe, is affiliate marketing. All right. I would put it affiliate marketing just because, like I said, the earning potential is crazy. Tons of different products to promote, and it's super easy to learn how to do. All right. So if you do want to learn how to start making money with affiliate marketing, you can check out the first link in the description of the video. Guys, this is what I do. This is what I use to generate commissions, and you can do the same. All right. So that's my take on it. Those are my best and worst ways to make money online. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.